टाटा मोटर क्रैश सुनने में कैसा लग रहा है? रियली क्रैश होगा या करेक्शंस होगा? जानने के लिए देखते रहिए आर्ट ऑफ ट्रेडिंग्स। हमने प्रिडिक्ट किया हुआ था कि 16 अगस्त 12 अगस्त से लेके 14 अगस्त के बीच में मार्केट करेक्ट होगा, और वाकईदा 400 पॉइंट्स वहाँ करेक्ट हुआ। और ग्रीन डे भी सक्सेस हुआ हमारा 9 अगस्त, और 16 अगस्त को जाके देख लो मार्केट ने मोर देन 250 पॉइंट्स की रैली दिखाई। अब फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म ऑफ फॉरकास्ट ऑफ टाटा मोटर, you should know the power of Rahu. During that period, Rahu in Vishnu months from the 20 November 2024 to 30 March 2025. During that period, Rahu is considering the shadow planet and is associated with materialism, ambitions, and illusion. Its influence can be complex with positive and negative effects. When the Rahu is in challenging position, its negative impact on personal life and also career life can be significant. And here is look at the potential negative effects of Rahu and remedies of Rahu. First of all, negative impact of Rahu: personal life, relationships struggles. Rahu can create the confusions and misunderstanding in relationship. People might experience issue related to dissents, obeisance, or emotion distance, illusion and deceptions. There may be tendency towards self-deception or being deceived by others and leading to misunderstanding or false expectation during that periods. Mental distress. Rahu influence can lead to anxiety, restless, or lack of emotion stability, affecting the personal well-being, isolations, and loneliness. Individual might feel the isolated or disconnected from their loved ones due to the misunderstandings or a lack of genuine connections. Career point of view, unrealistic ambitions. Rahu can drive the intense ambitions and desire for success, but this might lead to unrealistic goal and ethical during that periods and compromises. Conflicts and obstacles. There can be conflicts with authority or the colleges, as well as the obstacle that seems insurmountable or unjust. Lack of focus. Rahu might causes the lack of focus or the direction in career pursuits and leading to scattered effort and unfulfilled goal, unconventional paths. And the influence of Rahu can push the individual toward the unconventional or risky career choices that might not always yield positive results. Let's talk about the remedies of Rahu. Mantro या prayers. Rahu Bij Mantra. And chanting the Rahu Bij Mantra Om Brahm Brim Brom Shah Rahave Namah can help them mitigate the negative effects and Navgrah Strot also. Reciting the Navgrah Strot, which influence verses dedicated to Rahu and can also be beneficial. And you can also charitable acts. Donate to charity. Rahu is associated with giving, so donating to causes related to the education, technology, social welfare can help and reduce its negative impact. Third thing is feed the animals. Providing the food to animals, especially black and stray dogs, is considered the remedy for Rahu and Rahu's negative effects. You can wear the gemstones also, Gomet gemstones. You can also do the fasting and rituals. Do the fasting on Saturday and ritual point of view, participating specific ritual or pujas performed for the Rahu at the temples can also be effective, and behavior adjustments, practicing the integrity, adhering to ethical principles, and maintaining the honesty in all dealing can help the counteract Rahu tendency toward the desserts. Focus on educations, engaging in continuous learning, self-improvement can help align with Rahu's positive aspect of intellectual growth and ambitions. So you can alert from 20 November 2024 to 30 March 2025. During that period, you can alert. एंड कहते हैं ना कि अलर्टनेस बहुत ही मायने करती है. प्रिवेंशन इज बेटर देन द क्योर. ठीक है, तो ड्यूरिंग इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे अगर आपके बर्थ के टाइम पे राहु अगर 6, 8, 12 में है तो आपको अलर्ट होना ही होना है. ठीक है दोस्तों, थैंक्स अ लॉट.